In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. And to look for your photos, select images at the top, tap on one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your photo, hold the chosen one, and then hit select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!